Hello, this is Dr. Bo Ellis, and I have a Wave Pro here. And as some of you may know, vibrational technology accelerates neuromuscular growth and development. Simply put, it just means you'll get better results faster. Okay? I'm going to run through some beginner, intermediate, and advanced exercises on the machine using its program. It's more designed for rehab versus anything else, but you can use it for more advanced techniques using dumbbells and free weights and so forth, other exercises. I'm going to show you, again, beginner, intermediate, and advanced tricep exercises. Okay? I have the machine set for one set of 30 seconds. I have a frequency of 35 hertz at low amplitude. I'm going to start with an isometric exercise, and if you're a beginner with one of these, you just want to put one foot onto the vibe plate. You can hang on to the bar if you want, and get good posture. Make sure your knees are bent, and you're going to bring your elbow back, and you're going to straighten your arm out. Okay, or you're still going to have some bend in the elbow, but you're going to try to straighten it out, and you're just going to hold that for that 30 seconds. It's an isometric exercise. Here we go. You're going to want to do this on both sides. Of course, you do at least one set on each side. You can do more than one set, and that's fine. 2 or 3 is probably enough, especially if you go through a series of exercises using the same muscle. If you want to do 6 sets, you can do 6 sets. All right, almost done. You'll want to use 50 to 75% of your strength, especially when you're beginning. As you get more advanced, you can start using more towards 100%. If you've been doing this for a few weeks, feel free to use 100% of your strength, or 110%. Tricep. So this time, both feet are on the vibe plate. You have good posture, shoulder width apart, knees bent. You're going to bend forwards a little bit, keep your back straight, and you're going to get these straps. You bring the elbows back, and then you're going to try to pull back to straighten your arm out. Keep your elbow back there. Okay? Here we go. 30 seconds at 35 hertz. Remember to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, nice and relaxed. Five more seconds. Okay, so that's an intermediate tricep exercise. Advanced triceps. Now, on the advanced triceps, it doesn't show on the program what I'm going to show you. However, you want to make sure that you keep your fingers away from all the holes in the gaps. You don't want to get anything pinched, right? Because the plate moves, so you don't want to pinch your fingers in there. So if you do use just the plate for doing a tricep press here, make sure that you don't have any overlap on any part of this platform. Make sure your hands and fingers are completely on top. Now what I'm going to do, because there's not a lot of height here, I'm going to add the height just by using a cooler. And I'm just going to put it on top of a pad so it doesn't just vibrate off of the plate. That way I still transfer the vibration up into my arms. Okay? So I'm changing it just a little bit. The only difference is there's no pad and there's no cooler here for what's on the program. Alright? You'll get more range of motion and a better exercise with this advanced technique. So I'm just going to do a tricep dip. 30 seconds, 35 hertz, low amplitude. Here we go. And you want to go down nice and smooth, as far as comfortable, and then just go right back up. is that. And like I said, you can do more than one set. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes right now, so I'm just doing one. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe, press like, and tell your friends, and watch some more videos. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day.